Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you the answers of Model Question Paper 2 for Reduced Syllabus 2021 First PUC Business Studies. So let's get started. Section A. Question number 1. First, Patliputra. Question number 2. As per the Hindu Succession Act 1956, any individual born in a Hindu undivided family becomes a co-parishioner by birth. Question number 3. B. One man, one vote. Question number 4. Public sector consists of governments and all publicly controlled or publicly funded agencies, enterprises and other entities that deliver public programs, goods or services. Question number 5. Indian Financial System Code. Question number 6. Savings banks. Question number 7. B2B is a business-to-business situation where one business makes a commercial transactions with another. Question number 8. A2. Question number 9. Wholesale trade consists of purchasing and selling goods generally to retailers, professional users or authorities or to other wholesalers or intermediaries regardless of the quantities sold. Question number 10. Retail traders. 11. The import trade refers to goods and services purchased into one nation from another. 12. C. Bill of entry. Now, section B. Question number 13. Employment is the agreement which is performed between employer and employee which determines the task, the job role and the contribution the employer must provide to the organization. Question number 14. A partnership is an arrangement where parties known as business partners agree to cooperate to advance their mutual interest. Question number 15. First, members' liability is limited. Second, private companies are mandatorily required to use private limited in their name. Question number 16. Departmental undertakings can be defined as the most common and established forms of public enterprises of a country which is financed as well as organized by the ruling government of that country. Question number 17. First, goods can be separated from the seller, whereas services cannot be separated from the service provider. And the second number, goods can be stored where services can't be stored. Question number 18. Telecom services means and includes all services customarily provided by an integrated telecom operator. Question number 19. Outsourcing is a business practice in which a company hires a third party to perform tasks, handle operations or provide services for the company. 20. A Memorandum of Association (MOA) represents the charter of the company. It is a legal document to define the relationship of company with shareholders. 21. Economies of bulk purchase, convenience of choice. Question 22. Automatic vending machine is a machine that automatically dispenses goods such as snacks, cigarettes when money is inserted.